Here's how to view or see the follower request you've sent on Instagram. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile picture icon and tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open your settings. From here, tap on Account Center at the top and scroll down to your permissions and information. And then tap on Export Your Information. This will open your new browser. Now click on Create Export and choose your Instagram account and then select Export to Device. You can customize your information, deselect everything except the followers and following and save. Choose a date range that covers when you sent the request and tap on Save. Then select HTML as a file format, ignore the media quality and tap on Start Export and enter your Instagram password to confirm and tap on Continue. Once ready, tap on Download and a zip file will be downloaded to your browser. Go to your Downloads folder and find the zip file named Instagram and plus your username and open the unzipped folder and then open Connections and open Followers and Following and select Pending Follow Request, and you will now see the follow requests you've sent which are still pending. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.